Thank you for joining us at GLC Math. This lesson we're looking at a simple equation to be solved, and it's when x is divided by some constant and it equals a constant. So let's put an example, and you might see it says solve x over 7 equals say 5. Now here is the question, and what we need to do is there's two ways you could do this. I'm just going to do it the traditional way and the transposing way. The traditional way is called the cancellation law. To cancel a divide 7 is multiply by 7. So the opposite of divide 7 is times 7. So by multiplying both sides by 7, you still got an equal situation here. So we've kept everything equal by multiplying both sides by 7. This 7 will cancel with this 7. That's why it's called the cancellation law. And we finish with x equals 35. Well, that way is fine. I actually like using a transpose method. So a divide 7 goes to the other side to be the opposite of divide, and the opposite of divide 7 is times 7. And so that's the transposing method. 5 times 7 is 35. Alright, so let's have a look at another one. They're quite a short, not a lot of work on these ones. So solve, just for the hang of it, I'm going to put a negative. X over 3 equals 8. Now, I'm going to take this divide 3 up here to be times 3. And now I'm going to take this negative, so negative x equals 24. I'm simply going to multiply both sides by negative 1. If negative x equals 24, x equals negative 24. Now you could take the negative across, or you could divide, or you could multiply both sides by negative 1. If you were to multiply both sides by negative 1, then the negative times the negative is a positive, so they become just positive x. And 24 times negative 1 is negative 24. I guess we've got a bit of space over here, and what would have happened if you did it the first method where you times both sides by 3, and then that 3 cancels with that 3, and you'd be left with negative x equals 24, and you'd times both sides by negative 1, x equals negative 24. Both ways you get x equals negative 24, and that is how to solve x over a equals b. So I hope that this has helped. Until I talk to you again, stay happy.